I just made $5 million. $5 million. That's $5 million the past month investing. As you can see, I have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
Let me tell you about my day so far. Coffee in Paris, surfed the Maldives, took a little nap on Mount Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, and I got digits from this Polish chick in Rio. And then I jumped back for the final quarter of the NBA Finals. Courtside, of course. And all that was before lunch. I could go on, but all I'm saying is, I'm standing on top of the world.
Today, we're going to be going over the company and the app Webull. Webull Invest Smart Trade Free Stocks ETFs. Now, the cool thing about this app is if you guys use my referral link, you guys get a free stock, and it could be a $1,000 stock, a $1,000 stock. This is amazing. So in this application you can trade stocks for free. This is one bonus and good thing about this app. So not only can you trade stocks for free, commission free, no fees at all, but you will also get a free stock when you sign up for free. All free. So just sign up, get your free stock. You could sell it if you want and withdraw the money into your bank account. It's a win-win. There's no risk here. So use my referral link to sign up with Webull and get your free stock. It could be a $1,000 stock. So enjoy your $1,000. Free $1,000. Now let's get started. I'm going to show you guys how to use Webull and what I like about Webull and the cool things about Webull. This is a legit app on the Play Store, and also I'm pretty sure it's on the App Store. So let's get started. So as we can see, right here is the watch list, and right now currently I don't have anything in my Canada watch list. Now when you go into the markets, this just shows how the markets are doing. It gives a brief description of certain companies like the tobacco sector, the renewable fuel sector, the commodity chemical sector, fishing and farming, aerospace and defense, personal products, and it just gives a brief overview. And these are pretty much sort of random companies that they placed over here. None of these companies are companies that I'm particularly interested in, but as you can see, we're looking at the Canadian tab. So when we go to the United States tab, we can see different groups, different apps, different stocks over here. We can see Apple, Google, BPTH, Berkshire, and many more. And when you go into the middle tab, that's generally where all the trading is done. I'll go over that later, so don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button. And when we go into the stream, now over here, generally we could see the news, like the general news in the short term, seeing what's going on. Like right now, currently they're talking about the United Nations and the Trump and the China trade and the Venezuela and all that stuff. And we go to explore, and the Explorer tab, we could see that it has all sorts of areas like screeners. Like when we go on the screener, I generally don't use Webull for screeners, but you know, if you like technical indicators, they have all these technical indicators, and if I could go over those, what all these mean, if you guys want, so smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. So with all these technical indicators, generally like the golden cross means it's ready to increase. It's ready to be a bull market. That's what a golden cross means. Oversold means that many people have been selling it, so it should increase since many people sold it. Now there's gonna be more buyers. And the hottest, that just means the trending top 5% change. You know what that means generally. Whether the fastest growing or it says change here, so see it's both the fastest growing and the fastest losing. When we look at the three white soldiers, that means it's ready to be into a bull market. Bullish engulfing means it's ready to be a bull market. There's also bearish engulfing. There's death cross, which means it's about to decline. There's overbought, which means it's gonna decline. So I generally don't use any of these, but you can if you want. There's the analyst rating. I generally don't care about analyst ratings, and I could go into more detail if you guys want. So leave a comment if you guys want me to go into these more details, what you guys want me to go over. So you can set a screener based on exchanges, sectors, market cap, PE, price, turnover rate, volume, percent change, listing date, earnings per share, dividends yield, and yada yada yada. Now when we go back, you can see they have a calendar over here, so you could see generally what's been going on in the news. We could have IPOs, like there's a Lyft IPO. I might grab a bunch of those once it comes out. I'm gonna grab as many of those as I can. So if you guys are down for the Lyft IPO, make sure you guys grab it. It's on March 18th, so it's coming very soon. On the 18th, I'm gonna be sure to grab some of those. The table trading is just where you sell and trade stocks. I'll be going over that. The US ETFs, that's just the ETFs, you know, like they have these leveraged ones over here, and they have all sorts of ETFs that you can check out. The earnings surprises, I normally don't check any of these, but generally what went stray from what was expected in the earnings. And when we can see the executive holdings, over here we can see pretty much how everything's been going throughout the year. Now let's get started on the trading and how to trade. Generally, when you want to trade a stock, you know, let's say you're searching for a stock, or let's say I'm gonna go with Microsoft. If you want to trade, you go in this corner right here, it says trade. Let's click that, and generally want to go quantity over there. Whoops, let's go back. So when you're trading, you can set the quantity, and then you could just buy, and just right now the market's closed. This one thing I don't like about Webull is that you can't trade during after market hours. which is a real shame. But they have different. Make sure to set your limit orders, and they have a new feature coming out with the profit take order, where it sells once it's making you a profit. It's a cool feature. They haven't released it just yet, but they have beta testing, and I could show you what some of these charts and graphs mean, like the capital flows. We can see how much money is going in and how much money is going out over here. And when you click it, has general graphs over there. And now when we look at the analyst, we have the lowest point, the stock, and the highs, the lows. It compares with the average, which is pretty cool. It compares to the current. You can see the tags. This is what we went over before, like the golden cross. It means it's going to go up. One thing I like about Webull is that you can see that the trend of the stock, like whether it's going up or down, and they kind of put a little graph on it for you. This is what I really like about Webull. Webull is cool in that aspect. That's a positive. We have the financial forecasts on stocks, and we can see the financial statements, and you click here and just check different categories. And we have income statements and balance sheets and cash flows, and like I said, you can click on them and just get a more in-depth description of a stock. You can go into this and the same thing. You can look at the balance sheet. Always want to check out the balance sheet. Generally, I do look at the financials. The financials is important. It's not everything, but it's important. You generally want a profitable company that's going to remain profitable. Profile just tells you about the profile of the company. And the notes, this is cool. You could put little notes in here. I wonder if you could, if I could use my pen and write notes, but I doubt it. But anyways, that's generally Webull. If you guys want a free $1,000 stock, make sure you guys use my referral link. And the commission, like I said, is commission-free trading. So get your free stock, sell it if you want, put the money in your bank, do whatever you want. Just get your free stock. It's free $1,000. You guys really gonna turn down $1,000? Sign up to Webull, use my referral link, and don't forget to hit that smash that subscribe button and hit that like button. Thanks for watching. One thing about this company is that they've a certain proximity from the personification of redundant axioms presupposed upon tautological repetitions, and enhance their paradoxical paradigms through redundant innovations. Warren Buffett, the billionaire investor, once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful," by billionaire Warren Buffett.